Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, green color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first draw A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. The alphabets of A. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G, and use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, again use brown color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids, now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. Kids, now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R. The alphabets of R, and use blue color. R for rose, R for rice. Tell words of R. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S for sun. Tell words of S. Kids write T. T for teacher. T for teacher, T for tiger. Tell words of T and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella. Tell words of U. Kids write V. V for van, V for vanilla. Tell words of V and use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw W. W for wolf. Tell words of W. Kids again use brown color and draw X. X for X-ray. Tell words of X. Kids write a Y. Y for yak. Tell words of Y and use green color. Green color. Kids write a Z. Z for zebra and again use green color. Green color. Kids write numbers and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use black color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W-O 2. Kids write 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color. Red color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids write 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color. Blue color. F-I-V-E 5. 6. The numbers of 6 and again use blue color. S-I-X 6. Kids write 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids write 9. The numbers of 9 and use brown color. Brown color. 10. The numbers of 10 and again use brown color. T, E and 10. The last T draw 10. Kids, today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.